I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Surface Pro down and removing accessories so you avoid shorts. Once done, warm the screen edge with a heat gun at about 60-70 degrees C to soften adhesive. This is why you need consistent heat, not a single hot spot. Use a thin pick to begin separating the glass from the frame at a corner, and slide a pick around the perimeter while keeping tension. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray so you don't mix sizes. Once the bezel is loosened, lift the screen slightly to expose the digitizer and display cables. You must not yank the panel because the ribbon connectors are delicate. Make sure to remove the EMI shield screws to access connectors, and importantly disconnect the battery first to prevent shorting when you handle the logic board. Use a plastic spudger to flip the latch and slide out the ribbon. This prevents tearing and explains why patience beats force during reassembly. To finish, connect the new or service screen temporarily and power on to verify touch and display before sealing. Testing first saves you from reopening. Once confirmed, apply a thin, even bead of replacement adhesive or pre-cut strips and carefully press the glass into place. Then reattach the EMI shield and screws. After reconnecting the battery and type cover, boot and run a quick touch calibration. If the screen is unresponsive, recheck the ribbon latch alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.